Poof hairstyles have been in the hairstyling circuit for a while. It's super versatile and can be worn in many different ways. It does not matter if your hair is short or long, you can actually combine this with a braid, a bun, or you can just pin this up and leave all your hair loose. You will still have heads turning as you strut past. Hey guys, I'm Shalini and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 super easy poof hairstyles. And in case you guys are new to the Be Beautiful platform, do not forget to hit that subscribe button right now. The Braided Crown. Take a small section of the hair in the front and comb through. Twist and secure the section with a bobby pin. Take a 1-inch section on the right side of your hair. Use a tail comb to partition the section neatly. Section it into 3 equal parts and make a 3-strand braid 3/4 of the way. Cross the braid over your crown section. Lightly push on the braid to enhance the poof and then secure the braid with a pin. Using a tail comb, tease small sections of the hair in the front to enhance the poof. Twisty Tails. Part your hair on the side. Now section your hair in front of the ear and secure it with a hair tie. Take a chunk of hair on the top and back comb the section. Lightly comb the section to smoothen it out and hold the section. Take the rest of the hair from the side. And twist and pull till your desired amount of volume is achieved. Then secure the section with a bobby pin. Now divide the front section in 3 equal parts. Begin to tightly twist the top section while pulling it away from the face. Tug at a few places to loosen up and add texture to the twist. Secure the twisty with a bobby pin. Repeat the same for the remaining sections. Lastly, using a tail comb, lightly tug in random sections to instantly add volume. The fluffy ponytail. Starting from the front, back comb large sections of hair till the mid shaft. Lightly comb the sections back to smoothen it out. Take a big section from the crown area. Lightly twist and create a poof before securing it with a bobby pin. Roughly brush the rest of your hair with your fingers. And using a hair tie, knot it all in a high ponytail. Grab a small section of the ponytail and wrap it around the hair tie to conceal it. And secure with a bobby pin. Whether you're going for a casual dinner or a wedding, poof hairstyles are bound to amp up your elegance quotient. Try these hairstyles and let me know how it turns out for you in the comment section below. And as always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to be beautiful. Bye!